digital divide is more apparent now than ever because of the coronavirus. With school closures, unemployment, and the economic downturn, there is much uncertainty for the future. Hello, I'm Deborah Cedillo Dugan with Phoenix TV. Joining me now is Cindy Stotler. Cindy is the housing director with a bit of good news from the city of Phoenix. Hello, Cindy. How are you?
Hi, Deb. Thanks. And yes, indeed, we have great news that the mayor and city council allocated some of the CARES Act COVID funds to help us buy 800 hotspots and tablets for a digital connection for our public housing households with school age kids.
Now, this is wonderful because, again, as I mentioned, with the school closures, and not everybody has access to the internet or, quite frankly, the computer. So, how is this all going to roll out, and who is actually going to get these tablets?
We have gone through and identified all of the public housing households that have school age kids, kids aged 5 to 18. And we will allocate a tablet to each one of those households to allow them to access schoolwork and the internet and other things that they need.
That is outstanding. Now, I like what you said when you said it's the households, because there might be brothers or sisters, so they would have to share. But right now, without having not having anything, that's a pretty good deal.
So, Deb, I have to tell you, I have one household that we spoke with about a week ago, and her whole family, 4 kids, are using her cell phone to do their homework. So, we're very excited to be able to provide a tablet. It's a 10-inch LG tablet, a Bluetooth keyboard, and unlimited data access for 24 months with this program. So, that should help all of these kids do as much schoolwork as they can get done over the summer and get ready to go back to school.
Explain to me about the process, and you did talk a little bit about the criteria and who's getting it, but you said for a 24-month period. How are they? How are you going to receive those back since they are in fact loaners?
So, Deb, actually, they're going to be keeping the tablets. So they receive the tablets, and we're not asking for those back. We are paying for 24 months of unlimited data. And the reason we're doing that is because we are currently moving many of our public housing residents because we're doing construction on new public housing. So as they move, they're going to be able to take these tablets with a hotspot in them, and wherever they go, they're going to have connectivity. And then by the time they move back to their new housing, we're going to have internet access for them, and we should have some building Wi-Fi in the community areas so they can continue using that tablet and just use the access that they have at the building.
Now, you did mention the children not having access, especially the ones going to school. What if it's an older adult or a parent who is in fact in college and maybe just trying to, just move up and do the higher education?
So the tablet goes to the entire household. So whoever's in the household, being an adult or a child, can use it for whatever they need. Which is, we're very happy to provide that internet access because many of our residents have no access, so they can't do things like telemedicine or job applications or any of the other things that you need to do that we all take it for granted. We that have internet access and all these things that you can do and communicate on the internet. So the whole family is going to be able to use this tablet for 24 months with unlimited data.
This is excellent news. And this is solely from the COVID dollars that the city is getting and that's been allocated and again approved by the city council. So no other partnerships with any cable companies or internet services or anything like that. This is strictly these funds.
Yes, so it's entirely paid for by the COVID Act funds, and that's kind of why we went with the hotspot idea that we can purchase it up front, pay for the 24 months, and give them the tablet, and it's all taken care of.
Now, let's talk about the actual rollout. When are these tablets going to be start showing up at the doorsteps for some of these homes?
So we have already placed the order. I placed it the evening that received approval from the council. We were so excited. We placed the order. They are being shipped currently to the software company who's going to image the tablets, and we should receive them by mid-June. And then we're going to start making appointments with the household so they can come in and receive their tablets. So we should be distributing these tablets from June to the end of July.
This again is outstanding. In the meantime, they can always watch Phoenix TV between 9 and 11 every morning. We do have a Phoenix TV classroom study hall, and again, this was prompted from direction to be able to do school lessons and work study, if you will, for a lot of those students who don't in fact have a computer or a tablet.
So as part of this purchase, Deb, we also got imaging software, and we have control basically of all of the tablets, so we can identify sites like yours that they automatically come up and have a link so that they can access all of those school-based programs, the City of Phoenix TV programs, and all of those things that will help them all summer with
Verano, cuando
education.
ya hace mucho
Well, that
calor,
is
el
outstanding to hear
otoño,
because we want
cuando
to make sure
empiezan a
that our
caer las
Phoenix
hojas de los
TV is a
árboles,
link
y
that they
en
can go
invierno,
to
cuando hace
for the
mucho
Phoenix TV Classroom
brillo.
Study Hall. And some of these teachers,
Esas
they're
son las
primarily from the
4
Roosevelt and
estaciones.
Osborne districts, but they do their own, Zoom videos, and then we also, of course, are filming them here in the studio. What a great, some good news, and this is excellent news. I know you're really happy, and the staff that are actually going to be distributing these as well.
This really is excellent news. And, our residents are eager to receive these tablets, and they're really eager to see their kids, have internet access and start working on their schoolwork. They're already disadvantaged at their socioeconomic status, and they're already a little bit behind in school generally. And this COVID-19 crisis has really affected them. So we're super excited to have these tablets, to get them to the families, to have access to Phoenix TV Classroom, to any other school age programs that they can have, and just catch them up so that they're ready to start school in August.
Okay, one last question for you too. So have they all been identified right now? So we can't pitch like, hey, if you're interested, they pretty much have been identified at this point.
Yes, we know our households that are in public housing, so we've identified those households with school age children, and they are identified.
Okay, well, a little bit of great news to share with our community and our residents. Again, the City of Phoenix, in particular the Housing Department, and thanks to our City Council for approving this, to have a little bit of parity with those in need. Cindy, thank you so much for joining us today. We really appreciate it. It was great seeing you.
Thank you, Deb. And actually, I have a tablet right here. Do you want me to show it to you if you can edit that in? The council was eager to see if it was a decent tablet. And so I
It
want them
is.
to understand that it is a really nice tablet. It's small enough to carry around, but it's big enough to be able to see and use.
Cindy, thank you so much for all this great information and a bit of good news all during this coronavirus.
Thank you. Thanks, Deb.
For Phoenix TV Virtual Reporting, I'm Deborah Cedillo Dugan.